no me do ho so am fan cheme. It should be coso ene. I need to not to insult the man, no, but I was saying me can ho asem kakra. It's a can life sa papa bi na ye fe no. Evangelist Adele so I know. Em so onim abrabo mu asem onim I don't know. Yeah, nkofo castle abodam but let me feel say I no any life me Janet. This is not the first time. Me mon shine koju no so na me manenya west and me my bre wo wiase o. Ena ewiase sensate anyina anyepe a eka onfa saa ni suban no entina broche na onya obi mani nda na chi kra te se oba no fa ka di ope bia amfa nipa ho na estate no me feel say oh say na junior say no any issue the obeka bia obi anka but when it comes to me ma obi njira ho ka me ma ho asembole Adele, whoever you call yourself, tell me won't me ban na me show. Na me akwala. I had my son when I was in school. So me kan nyoma ma fema. Wo untimi mfemu 1 minute. Enti sa wo nyame na ya cho na wo de obi aye Illuminati na obi aye okota. It's fine. Na yo abra bo na nyame aye bibia cho. But me pese uhu enne se na me feel so ye panyi bi a adwin bi wo wutin me feel say bia sabi eni se obi kasetia now they go ahead na kaza tia nipa ne se de opebia what me anya kokodra kan sante kasa e was social media say me Vivian J. Lawrence me ni me ba Clinton da wow ya done your outfit. Share me mommy to me for be or say your secret is your power. Ya fabobra. And asenka nipa adwene pa da ni timo ye Ghana ni ofri krom ha bia na krofo froso de obitimi ne ba edawo but Ghana for de enka ye ho nipa odwene pa wo ni timo no a wo adwene da ni timo ye fe ni nipa no say nyina ya see ye social media like ya de ya nyoma be ba bontin dio e was say we do bibia ba bontin ya de be go social media wa evangelist ade ka benya space e was so abetena so ukra na woni adwinga wotim no wo benya space abetena so abeka asem bia wo pe me asantini akola te se wo minim de ye mimpemusuo sa sam na wodi wano kan ye no erade fa abone chawata what the kan come ho asempan ekofa India ni ma me bi picture e de betna ho e de beto page e be kan say Mimi Vivian J. me ye Illuminati really me come anu to mu because me hu ni say wo ye panyin na bia na maybe you are depressed. Maybe there's something wrong with you. Eya kakra no wadwen ba ho so a wo bejai what ka obi owo ewiase nyina ho asemasi Yesu kwa waka no watem obi anka hwe ancho what did matem one man kofo kwaya mo so did matem kakra me ka manu tumu but e fa me ba ho de me ka manu tumu erade nyankopon no bo ye nyina no me se wo fa bo ne ncho asem we enne waka no some me back Clinton die. And you will Alfie really. What you doing, Papa? Me busan, obiam busan e mame. Why you Ghana ni? And tinabusu for shama papa is or they are dear dear a co womb. Obia she. Now there am a young to say, there were nipa bi wo honuma. Ye papa ni yena. Obia who say sabi papa na dwene nye no nipa bi so ginidi etimi drop comment or no pay me ya nyoma mienu na me de tu ya se me de Yakopon hira ne na dubi into the last thing I would do e be ma sa nyame hira na free me so ama no mi bi aba me so no minye evangelist na me kasa wo ye nipa bi a wo ye panyin tie ni se ye kasa tia wo emua even kraman omo de kraman cross kraman no kra no kraman ba ko wo oba ho be ma na so munyini a ya fo mo cross wo mo ye kofo bi foforo. So why are you talking like an animal? Why? Ubeko bia ho asma fa ne ho adi. Me say Nyankopon offer obone ncho for saying that. Omo ma frame me nyina say Vivian men cash no. Me sorry, but man ka bibia e ka ho. Akwala bi ba be hu a papa wo man kwala bi adwenbone wo na wo ye Illuminati wo na wo kire nkofo akire bone nkola na eba no wo sem na wo keka na mo hwe wo Facebook no mo different ideas aye de tena bibia se eye bone ye de nkola na be ko bonsam je wo na wo de ma wo mo te se wo be ma kola bi ideas onu ba da ko enye hwe right nti so ni a hye ma no akoke kaninia no no de ne sa akoke kaninia na be wi ache no ni na da right. And then your first and last are there. So be a united. Oh, they all know you now said them one man woman man. What they obedient me that time on car. Oh, you know money or monk home. Me what? Was you know ma the omo kind of united no. Omo young you maybe social. Me ever since I've been in this movie industry, to be honest, or people who say ya chese Vivian Jill send a boyfriend. Asembia na wose da no wo ya mibusuani a wo pe me ba papa hwe me matete me ba o me ba Clinton matete wo nyame kwan so to the extent say me nya hokwo kwa me ba Clinton ontimi metnam so ne me di nkomo me ba no offering to the extent say o testament mpo a obeso obisa made a o testament ni age so de oteno. Even me in my house, he doesn't even have any right. Some mimi will fear. Or better me the oba bam fear that they are meaning. Just say be a mini home. Mema me etete me. Mema me di nyame sura some shame trim. Minim dia ya na minim dia enge. Ade wa fa won sam keka. Enya me maso. Won nyame busuani na sabi. Wo nyame too much. Those that they are very close to me, omuni me ba papa. Me ba no onim ne papa. Nyankopon wo so me say, "Ofan wo ba ne nchew, na no mi bia ewa obata oni ne ba da su bia no, ofa sa no me ne mbra no ma so times 10." No mi bia me say, obata ya ni tirimu da ba. Oye normal on bodam te sa wo no mi bia di sa de na chi no ade me se me flag them out obi asori anu aka de ene de no ko obi asori anu a chọ de opebia me pa me ho asem ti no there are certain things I don't even do like a star me nye no ma bebre because me pa me ho asem and then suddenly bi wo ho e ba yana wotena se na adwu ho obusa ho se ente ye nipa na atena se adwu we ya na nipa ne pese sewa na waka wa no atu ya stars me nti no obi di ye bone kwa we keep quiet because at the end of the day no sa some ne ba bonten a nipa kwa no will be favored na nyenya e wase ye nipa kwa ne tia ye na so ne mom no na man san nyina didi atem nti asem ha ye nkra na obi di ye bone kwa na me I just keep quiet and walk away because me nim china sem I am more than angry because what come a massam. What him how many years am I? So when you ma busa doctors, you want money to hokwa when the bear man na. No money I walk. You got touch pain. No money nyamba. What him how many years? What him miscarriages? What him bra son and media of each other. Who be draw the come no mean some say after me maho. Me say may God forgive you and your entire generation. Now some now I bet now I want now can I net just say me nyami peace me where you I just have to come home because obi oni me bia the time that I'm sleeping with my son Clinton. When him bra my bra was sakwala na ho. Unim Brahma Bra Sakala no one. And now I bear my me Yarina me da for man, me bow in a bit in your pajamana. Don't say anything about them. Michelle, now I am lucky. Sakawa Ghana ha, me say a neck, Vivian Joe, get to make us that come no bet Siam. Ade, what's all that? See, me, what reason to say? As a one young Ghana, ni suppose some can't Casa, who can't somewhere free one. No, would you want me a mowachi? I can't just say, honey, she and Yansan when you. We use what Nasiam, what can all of your banner was for two, what Cassassin we say. Oh, really? So maybe me back Clinton, the Timmy Agda, near Woo Alfie. Dear, and you're really careful. Because when man gets one, she's a crown your mother, and she's not aware. Yes. Evangelist Ladeos, Evangelist Ladeos, and wine. Me say this should be your first and last. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. If you say anything about me, maybe you man. Me say me jaw the woman ya me. Oh, my person will provoke ni pana and some of this yet cano yadaka. Me, I don't know anything. I was so dear, ni be yes, piano, ni pabumana. No, I wasn't born like that. Nah, I was never raised like that. Me ma no share me said you can no too no maybe home. Or share me said you keep your secret because your secret is your power. Or share me say you did not obi so and shasro. And now afa o laptop at snase. And now sao come bia ho asamo afa wadi. Ultimate dino kasa beku Santana and then ne ba akoye sacrifice. Wo no ne bunche na for me sacrifice. Ade bi na wawo no, omo de omo nya num na to ho. Ade bi na wawo na, wuti akodem na wa ye se, agbo bi na wote ona omo atwa ho hia. O money there is nothing wrong with them. But yenya made, wo be dino ha be bie wano abeka me ne me back Clinton da. Let me tell you something you don't know and you need to know now. Me ba na me want know. Me were 15 years na work away. Me won 7 months and then papa bubu them. Ni papa sorry biem. Clinton almost said papa is hot da. But I made a promise to the papa. I said I will take care of my boy and I will make sure. That is what I'm doing. I am his father. I am his sister. I am his mother. Me and baby. It is okay. What coming? Me my brother who said me Clinton. Now who cries when your brother with you? Who my no papa to me wo no. It was man who say na baba be. Eti me atwa aduane mo dia ama. Obi abefo bet na broche na wo be hani padre. Na go think you poison wo na wusa. Na was think you poison me. Grandma brew we asema. Kwala na hu no. O shemeti na me sister. O shemeti. Na me sister. Amabuka se dem hu no we ase nyina no. The pure be Illuminati. Me Illuminati chesini na me na me kwase ohun. Even this morning, I go for Sundays at the women. But I'm saying for another one. I will even make up to 5,000 Ghana cedis. And so I want 50 more than 1 week. Muriana and the Damanona Illuminati. I won't say much. I never complain of a person who evangelist are they who say starting for Bible, not kind Bible no. Na kacha nyankopɔ sɛ ohun mɔbɔ no yi emua adwene na da wutrim no mfiri wutrim no ma woni paketekete bi bɛ 6 months afi kwa de na adwene ni nkyɛn akola wo bɛ 6 months adwene na fa 2-3 months na wakasa na fa 2-3 ansa na wakasa ukasa kasa te sɛ gada ni ba na kasa te sɛ asante ni ba asantefo ya ne ya man na yenim dia yenim sunsan so e was for be massa who video na me Sunday man Alfie papa no the only thing on Sunday boy is that he's a fool honey me you know and I'm still responding or to then extend my greetings to him enti me fa me ba papa e meto social media because of ni pebit to say web evangelist ade we am busuani ana ana we am busuani mi bisa wo pa me ba papa hu na wo ni me ba papa na the owa broche stupid man abu what abroche ho no wo nim omo timi nya kwan tu kwan wo fiti ya no wat kwan ana wo ha crash me dem kwa na obi ti say wo evangelist ade be hu no o social media ba ke kansamfo afa no nti ti na me de nasie no oye noble resort say oye nipa papa bi chen eti na me de nasie no me person nipa bi ti say wo e be ka de opa bi afa no ho because oye noble man wa bobra afa no ho ti say wo nti no enti na me de asie no e ka nipa bi omo dom omo kanya nsasem omo do omo bom paye ma me omo hu mi kuna omo hu me ba papa omo ba bom paye ma yese be wie ye nkwa kam de na ba asuni pa fu bi ti say wo nti no e na me de nasie wo de me say next time you can say anything you want to just go ahead and disgrace yourself now why go hu ani masia but when it comes to me ma don't try it. Me see asem na wo de wanu aka no evangelist no me bia eto asem ne so bia no me see emma wo ne wo maso e wo Yesu Kristo no boy yen no embra wo ne wo maso 100 times ne hu se de sitie ma wo ba nyini no wo no ne banda na wo tena se nya long life me hwe bi ne hu se de esitie Baba dam now into obi antimi nka no me feel say we papa panyi bi wo ka asem bia fa kuma wudufo nyina ye nunatis na ye ko float kuma wudufo nyina ye okot na ye adwuma de 1005 2000 kuma wudufo nyina ye okot na ye free cars ye adwuma ne atia ne kakra wo say ye tima was okot really I'm sorry if Makoma Kosha Mama Kasa Kasabia Mempea. Who find me but as some way say no. Eja too much. Say Nankopoa, my brother, one and Yakopoa Chimmy be was swimming was some German dear Nidia Bramifino. What the idea where a tag me madam and men in about 12? What the idea where that? Now, me papa you need to like I saw in the mamma. Really, me free papa, my butch yam no me be any but up for be any. My butch yam miss a but up for be at some evangelist are there. Be a nim. And I make sure me dear yet energy. What's some bar? Wunya nipa bi bebremia cancer papa found and I'm sorry and I'm dreaming. Even common interviews, I don't even so back checking me. I mean granting interviews because at the end of the day, no, what you said and what you never said and no meka. It's me baby. And I'm not supposed to come to the world and show Obia how my because I'm what? I make a first celebrity. Me no, I'm just a normal somebody. I'm living my normal, cool, simple life. And I will let you know what you need to know. I will show what I feel. That is what I will show on social media. I'm not going to show anything or going to brag or going to show off to please anybody. No, that's not my life. Because me kuna met na ho. What me of chin video be e dey about bet na ho. That thing na wo nya bi share ye no. Wo nya ni video share no was after party o. Anopa bu se fo share ya de no. E na ke ye bi na ma me party we bia. Se ka se bia am I the only celeb ma wo a won fa ne ba papa mba ya na. Am I? Because me ba no adum binti. Papa ni shire bia wo mi sunti. Yesu Kristo hu mo bra wo hu me aba me ne me man hu ban abedu oya yarefo bi na ogina ha ka sa na beka na Nyankopon adum akola na timi agina hot sa na wa be ye be ma kakra bi o wase me kakra bi ntino watimi atena so wa konyam etimi agine ho say enne I am going to discuss Vivian Lawrence and her kids on social media to let people know that she's sleeping with her child. You are insane. You are sick. You are mad. Now was saying ka mama no papa poison we immediately you see assassin so now we take kakasa ni see assassin so. Now was saying ka mama no papa poison